We have Champions League final, first leg. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, AS FAR 0. Football is a game of opinion. Yeah. Your name and your opinion, my brother.
Ngiyaphila baba. Ngiyabingelela futhi babukeli igama lami uLucky Sibongo wakamtshana. Today's game, I think first half we started off a bit sloppy. We didn't have quite a good first half. I think amachita wesewathukile man, because mawuthi uyacheka kuma build up, yes, we did very well, but ama wing back wethu today, they were not really effective in the first half. I think they lost quite a bit of ball possession. Mawuthi uyacheka even no Mutiba today ulahla amabhola amaningi, and then obviously we couldn't utilize the side lakhe kakhulu, right? But then second half, that's when we were becoming a bit more better. But before ngizokhuluma nge-second half, let me start by complimenting Sundowns for ukuthi bakore that crucial goal, ukuthi very very important goal. I think that goal, as I said, I compliment the Sundowns because we used that crucial moment to our advantages. Look at how many set pieces that we had. I think maybe we would have scored like 3 of them, and CC Lele came from the first half, but obviously that couldn't happen. And then Ziyazaki second half, I think much more better in terms of ball retention, ball rotation also. And then when Allende came in, obviously he was bringing control to the game. But Mautia Cheka, we had a lot of 1v1 situations. Maybe coach don't play too much on the wider side, but then Parati at least to sneeze allow 2 passes. And if you can check Leon today, he got many through passes. And I think because of maybe Uktu and a corner, he couldn't convert. He couldn't convert some of them. Ulikaku also got one of the crucial chances that that Nakona we couldn't convert. I think AS FAR today complaining about Wazuguti, Bebafunuguti, Baba defend at least equally. Maybe if like they could score, they would want to defend. But unfortunately, the game plan didn't work well because Mautia Cheka, they were playing most of the time. They were playing Afiniabo, but we were able to see towards their own half. And Mautia Cheka, we executed the plan really well because Mautia Perano coach was more focused on the offensive play because Ufunuguti Masiale second leg obviously so Mina going into the next game, I think Sundowns will be able to score more goals, but then obviously we need to work on our finishes now. Defensively we are sorry,
just want to comment one thing here. No, just 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Ngithanda ukubingelela ababukeli emakhaya. Lona uCharlie mfana waseJohannesburg. Bafana bethi uwinile ithi thatha lento ayinabungozi. Sesiwinile ke manje besibonga nje ithuba lokudlala nabo abafana bomlungu. Mara ekhaya kubo ngeke babuye. Siyabonga. Thank you.
Yeah, njengoba ngisho na baba Mtungwa ne going into Morocco, yes, it's not going to be an easy game, right? Because obviously now but sidlalela ku home ground yabo, and if you can see our fans wabo today, they were a bit violent towards us. So I think even nama player wabo, their own players, they felt intimidated because of those moments whereby they were starting to fight, and of course security force had to take action there. So Tina, on our side, we executed the plan very well. We were able to play in their own half, and we were able to create a couple of chances. But going into AS FAR, of course we have to score. We have to score because I see we create a bunch of chances, but we need to convert. We need to convert, and hopefully going into going into the next game, I think we coach also because they're a threat in their home field. They become a threat, and obviously now we didn't allow them space and the time and space on the ball, so they couldn't have the ball possession a lot. But obviously when it comes to the next game, we'll start combining our passes quite well, and then away from home. No problem. Yeah. Thank you.